Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on activity status on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First click on your profile like this, click on these three lines, click settings and privacy, and now click privacy. Here you will find activity status, just click like this and it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on activity status on your account on TikTok, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.